Hello, David. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine too. What are you up to?
Not much, just work. And you?
Same. Busy with work.
It was great talking to you.
It was very nice talking to you too.
See you around, Sarah.
Bye.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. Where are you from?
I'm from Washington, D.C. Where do you live in Canada?
I live in Toronto.
I like Toronto. It is beautiful.
I really like it too.
It was nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you too. Bye.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Red is okay, but I like green. What kind of red do you like?
A darker red, like this apple.
I prefer a lighter green, like my new car.
Your car is bright green?
Yes, my car is a really bright green.
That sounds interesting. Can you show it to me?
Sure, let's look at my car right now.
What is the weather going to be like today?
It looks like it's going to rain.
Oh no. I thought it was going to be nice.
The forecast said it's going to be rainy and cold all weekend.
We were going to have a barbecue, but maybe we should do it another time.
The weather has been really unpredictable lately.
I really hope that it won't rain. Yesterday it was sunny and warm.
Maybe it will be better next week.
I sure hope so. This summer has been very rainy so far.
What time is it? I don't want to be late for dinner.
It's 6 p.m.
That's good. Dinner is at 7 o'clock.
What time are your friends arriving?
They said they will be here at 6:30.
They are always early. We should get ready then.
Yes, they are never late and we, on the other hand, usually are.
Tonight we will be ready in time.
Good morning. David Brown speaking.
Good morning. This is Emma Wood. I would like to speak to Mr. Gray.
Just a second. I'll check if he isn't already.
Thank you.
I am sorry, but Mr. Gray is not here yet.
Can you tell me when he will be in?
Probably around 4 p.m.
All right. I will call again later then. Thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Bye.
Could I have a menu?
Yes, here it is. Would you like something to drink?
I would like a water, please.
Are you also ready to order?
Yes, I would like the salad and the curry, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
How is your family?
They are good. How is yours?
Also good. My brother just got married.
That is great. Does he have children?
Yes. I have one nephew.
How are your children?
They are very busy. They are at university.
And how is your wife?
Good, I think. She just started a new job.
That sounds great.
What are fossil fuels?
They are natural fuels formed in the past like coal or natural gas.
Is oil a fossil fuel?
Yes, petroleum is a fossil fuel.
Why do people not like them?
Because they produce CO2 and pollution when they are burned.
Is that the only reason?
Nature is also destroyed when they are extracted.
Then why do we use them?
Because we can produce energy very cheaply with them.
You mean we burn coal and petroleum to produce electricity?
Yes, most of our electricity comes from fossil fuels.
I worry about the rainforest.
Why about the rainforest? It is far away.
It is the home of many animals and plants.
Why is it in danger?
It's getting smaller every day to make more space for farming and the paper industries.
Why do farms need more space?
The world needs more soy or palm oil.
Is it really that bad?
Yes, it is. About 200,000 acres are destroyed every day.
That is a lot. Now I understand why you worry. I only buy organic food.
Do you think organic is better than regular food?
Yes. Less pesticides are used to produce it.
But is this very expensive?
I think it is worth it to spend more money for high-quality food.
But is organic food really higher quality?
Organic farming is also better for biodiversity and groundwater.
I guess some things are better, but it still doesn't change the quality.
I just don't want to eat food that has been treated with regular pesticides.
I understand your point. There is a lot of uncertainty around food production right now.
Exactly. And until we know more about chemical pesticides and fertilizers, I will trust organic food.
I guess it won't hurt to buy organic if you can afford it.
I want my city to build more bike lanes.
Why more bike lanes? Do you bike a lot?
I use my bike every day. I love biking.
Do you also bike to work?
Yes, it is a good daily exercise.
Do you never use cars?
No, I don't need a car in my city.
I need more exercise. Maybe I should get a bike too.
Do you want my old bike? I don't need it anymore.
Yes, thank you. Then I can bike to work too.
Are you a vegetarian?
No, but I don't eat a lot of meat.
Why don't you eat a lot of meat?
Because the meat production is bad for the environment.
Why is it bad?
It produces a lot of CO2 and also uses a lot of water and land.
I don't think cows use more water than a farmer for vegetables.
You are right. But you forget the water for the cow's feed.
Now I understand. You also need water to grow the feed for the animals.
Yes, and that is why I don't eat a lot of meat.
I'm also trying to eat less meat. Also because of the animal welfare.
That's great to hear. Animal welfare is another reason for me too.